going to learn about dividing fractions by a fraction. Dividing a fraction by fraction is very simple and easy. All you have to do is follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Flip or turn upside down the denominator to get the reciprocal fraction. Step 2. Multiply the numerator with the reciprocal fraction. Step 3. Simplify the fraction. Let's first understand how flipping or turning upside down the denominator works. Let's say we have a fraction like 7/10, where 7 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. 7 is the numerator over 10, which is the denominator. We can write this as 7 divided by 10, or 7 times 1 over 10. So, note over here that 1/10 is the reciprocal fraction for 10. So, dividing is the same as multiplying the numerator, which in our case is 7, by the reciprocal fraction of the denominator, which in our case is 10, so our reciprocal fraction would be 1/10. So, let's say we have a division problem like this. 12 divided by 3 equals. Here, 12 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. We can write this equation as 12 times 1 over 3 is equal to 4. Note that over here, 1/3 is the reciprocal fraction for 3. So let's say we have a division problem like this. 7 over 10 Wait, let me write this in a different way. 7 over 10 over 20 is the denominator. You can see because 7/10 is the blue and 7 over 20 is the red. So, let me write this as a fraction. We have 7/10 over, you can see it has a big fraction line, 7 over 20. So, as step 1 says, we have to find the reciprocal fraction for 7 over 20 because it is the denominator. So, the reciprocal fraction for 7 over 20 is 20 over 7. So, as step 2 says, we have to multiply the numerator, which in our case is 7 over 10, by the reciprocal fraction of the denominator, which in our case is 7 over 20. So the reciprocal fraction of 7 over 20 is 20 over 7. So, let me write that down. 7 over 10 times 20 over 7 is equal to. Here, 7 and 7 are both divisible by 7. Divided by 7 is equal to 1. Divided by 7 is equal to 1. We can also see that 20 and 10 are both divisible by 10. 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2, and 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. Let me write this down for you. So now we have 1 times 2, 1 times 2, over 1 times 1. Is equal to. So, let's first multiply the numerators. 1 times 2 is equal to 2 over 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. So, as step 3 says, we have to simplify our fraction. So, the simplified fraction for 2 over 1 is equal to 2. So, 7/10 divided by 7 over 20 is equal to 2. Today we learned about dividing fractions by a fraction. Thank you for watching this video.